Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Trisha's World, where you know that everything I slay. Anyhow, today is gonna be, yes, another makeup video. But I just wanted to basically, before I get into it, I'm going to do the makeup video, but I'm going to pretty much just kind of not say too much. Just kind of, let me get this a little closer so you guys can see. Not do too much, just, you know, excuse me, just do my makeup and that's that, and you know. But just want to show you guys really quick, because I always like to show you what I'm gonna put on. But so I went to my local beauty supply store, and if you guys don't know, I'm a huge fan of NickNak and NYX products. NYX, NickNaks. NYX, I use their foundation a lot. That's, you know, I swear by it, because I feel like it's, you know, the foundation is awesome, especially the matte one. But in the NickNak, I love their eyeshadow. Oh my god, they have so many colors and so many palettes, and you'd be surprised on what you can get for, you know, for a cheap cost. But anyway, so I went to my local beauty supply and I got another palette. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. Look at that. And this one is the perfect 32 color palette. The other one I have, it has like a lot of pink and floral, and has some metallic colors in it, but this one has like a lot of the blue, and so y'all know I love colors, so can't wait to play with that. And then there's this one. I wanted this little one right here. This one is called Baked Terracotta Eyeshadow by NickNak New York, and I thought it was pretty as well, and so I got that. So just, you know, some new makeup that I have, and I just wanted to, sorry, I'm trying to get the camera focused on me, but just some new makeup that I have that I just want to try or whatever. So all right, let's get into it so you guys can know. All right, so you guys know I always use my NYX Matte but not flat foundation, and then sometimes I might use another foundation just to give it a little contour. I know you guys use other stuff to do y'all contouring, but that's just my way, you know, and stuff, because I tried the different ones that try to match it and it didn't match for me. So, but okay, first things first that I'm gonna try different is I'm going to do my eyebrow. No, well, I'm sorry, my eyebrows are already done, if you can notice. Like I already did my eyebrow.
Always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina. Always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so lights, out of sight. Long weed, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead.